Can I go back to page 137? So Marcia said there are two ways to solve the equation 3x plus 15 equals 24. Well, one of the ways she did it was she subtracted 15 from this side, which is the way I've been teaching you. So she subtracted 15, and it gave her 3x equals 9. She divided each side by 3 and got 3 equals x. Well, over here, she divided everything by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, 15 divided by 3 equals 5, and 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So then, all she had to do was subtract 5 from this side, and she got 3 equals x. Are both of these strategies correct? They both work. I want you to tell me if they're correct. Which strategy do you think is easier? I want your opinion. Tell me why. Don't just say subtract then divide, or divide then subtract. I'm not going to accept that. You guys know better than that. Which strategy do you think is easier? If you think it's easier to divide everything by 3 first, then yes, by all means you can do that, but be careful, because you have to make sure that every single part of that equation is divisible by 3, or is a multiple of 3. Okay? How do you know when you can divide first? Oops, I just gave you that answer. If you were paying attention, go ahead and rewind it if you didn't hear me say it. Solve this equation in 2 different ways. So then we're going to do 5x plus 20 equals 5, and 5x plus 20 equals 5. So for this, you're going to subtract and then divide. Over here, you're going to divide, then subtract. You have to decide what you're going to divide by. Find x if x plus 7 equals 20. Well, we want to get this x by itself. So how can we get rid of this positive 7? What's the inverse operation of addition? Well, it's subtraction. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 20 minus 7 is 13. So now I have x equal to 13. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now you're going to do this one, and then answer how are the solutions similar and how are they different. I don't need a whole paragraph. I just need you to tell me how these solutions are similar. What did you do that was similar, and what did you do that was different?